Utrecht, Netherlands. A city known for its canals, its cycling culture, and spaces where access is tight and disruption isn't an option. That's where the Air VAC Electric comes into its own. Compact, clean, and built for controlled excavation. Working around tree roots and buried utilities, precision isn't just important, it's essential. Powered electrically, it delivers vacuum excavation performance without the emissions and without the noise of traditional engine-driven machines, making it ideal for urban environments like this. Tight access, pedestrian-heavy environments, maintaining pedestrian movement. From cyclists passing just meters away to sensitive root systems below the surface, every movement needs control. No aggressive digging, no unnecessary damage, just precise removal of spoil, helping protect what lies beneath. For cities built around people, infrastructure, and environment, the Air VAC Electric is the right machine for the job. Air VAC Electric. Clean excavation. Controlled performance.